the life cycle of fern, right? Ferns have macrophyll or that's a microphyll. Macrophyll meaning? Female. No, macrophyll. Yes, large size of leaves. In case of what? Ferns. Okay. So first we start from this. कि sporophytic body है. Sporophytic body is differentiated into which parts? Root, stem and leaf. Leaf on that, this type of structure, that's a cone formation occur on leafy part. Cone formation occur on which one? Leafy part. So leafy part on that cone. Cone is made up of? Cone is made up of sporophyll. Which one? Sporophyll. तो देखो single leaf structure दिया है यहाँ पे sporophyll. Next one. On that sporophyll, can you make out over here? Sporophyll के ऊपर क्या है? Sporangia. Single sporangium has spore mother cell, right? वैसे बहुत सारे sporangia है तो so many spore mother cell. Each spore mother cell will undergo meiosis and form spores, and spores as and when germinated form prothallus or gametophyte. Ferns, right? फंस हेट्रो में आएंगे या होमो में? होमो. सिलेजिडल एंड साल्विनिया सिर्फ क्या है? हेट्रो. होमोस्पोरस है फंस. तो फंस में बाइसेक्सुअल यूनिसेक्सुअल गैमेटोफाइट फॉर्म? बाइसेक्सुअल दिखाई दे रहे दोनों है यहाँ पे, राइट? नाउ सेम यहाँ पे दैट्स आर्किगोनिया है, यहाँ पे एंथ्रीडियम. एंथ्रीडियम रिलीज व्हाट? एंथ्रोजॉइड. दिस एंथ्रोजॉइड reach to which one? Archegonium. Fertilize the egg. Form what? Zygote. And zygote will undergo mitosis. Zygote will undergo what? Mitosis. And by that way multicellular embryo form. Now, ये आपको कैसे understand करना है here that zygote form? Zygote form where? Inside the archegonium, outside the archegonium? Inside the archegonium zygote form because वहीं पे fertilization हुआ है. Now, so imagine that here that's the archegonium structure. Inside that zygote is formed, right? ये archegonium कौन से structure के पास present है? Gametophyte prothallus. So prothallus on which archegonium and inside the archegonium that's a zygote is formed. Inside the archegonium zygote. तो ये gametophyte है और gametophyte के साथ ये क्या बन गया यहाँ पे? Zygote. And zygote से gradually क्या बनने वाला है यहाँ पे? That's the roots, stem and the leaves. ये parts बनेंगे. Clear? So see this life cycle picture. In that, if you can make out over here gametophyte is there, and with gametophyte root, stem and leaf over here represented, right? Root, stem, leaf initially form हो रहे. So जब तक leaves नहीं आ रहे, who will provide the nourishment? Because gametophyte is in which color? Green color. It can prepare their own food. So initially ये जो parent gametophyte है, which one? Parent gametophyte. क्यों मैंने ये word use किया parent gametophyte? ये parental generation को belong करेगा gametophyte, है ना? Parents form these structures and gametes. So parental gametophyte remains some time for us and provide nourishment to the new sporophyte development. Provide what? Nourishment to the new sporophyte development, right? जब तक के leaves नहीं form हो रहे तब तक. Gradually this gametophyte that size reduced or either eaten by any animals. Okay, either eaten by the any animals. It's a leafy structure. Animals can eat it. Okay, so and by that way then individual only sporophyte is present. Clear this life cycle of fern. Ferns belongs to homosporous or heterosporous? Homosporous, right? Homosporous है तो what kind of the spores are formed? Same or different? सेम स्पोर्स है तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गैमेटोफाइट डेवलप, यूनिसेक्सुअल और बाइसेक्सुअल, बाइसेक्सुअल गैमेटोफाइट. सो गैमेटोफाइट के ऊपर क्या प्रोड्यूस्ड होंगे, एंथ्रीडियम एंड आर्किगोनिया. So archegonia, in that fertilization occur between anthrozoids and egg, and by that way what is the product form, zygote will undergo, and by mitosis it will form embryo, multicellular structure. And फिर वही once a sufficient number of cells are formed, some cells form root, some cell form stem, and some form leaves. Initially this young sporophyte remains attached to parent gametophyte. For what? Derives nourishment from it. Clear?